The cornerstone of nursing powerful essays. Nursing is a demanding profession. It requires dedication, compassion, and strong communication skills. Writing is a critical skill for nurses. Clear writing communicates important information. It ensures patient safety and quality care. A well-written nursing essay showcases your knowledge. It demonstrates your ability to think critically. Nursing essays can take various forms. You might write case studies, research papers, or care plans. Regardless of the type, a strong essay follows a structured approach. It presents well-researched evidence. Mastering the art of essay writing is crucial for aspiring nurses. It paves the way for academic and professional success. Choosing the right path, selecting your essay topic. Selecting the right essay topic is paramount. A compelling topic will keep you engaged. Start by reviewing your coursework. Identify areas that sparked your interest. Think about current issues in healthcare. Are you drawn to advancements in technology? Do ethical dilemmas in nursing fascinate you? Once you have a few potential topics, narrow them down. Choose a topic that is researchable and aligns with the assignment guidelines. Building a solid foundation, research and information gathering. With your topic chosen, dive into research. Start with reputable sources like scholarly journals and medical databases. Use keywords related to your topic to find relevant articles. Don't limit yourself to online sources. Explore books and publications from professional nursing organizations. As you gather information, take detailed notes. Summarize key findings and note the source. This organized approach will make writing your essay much smoother. Remember to critically evaluate your sources. Ensure they are credible and up to date. A well-structured essay, your roadmap to success. A well-structured essay is crucial for clarity. It guides the reader through your arguments. A typical nursing essay follows a standard format. It begins with an introduction, followed by body paragraphs, and concludes with a summary. Each section serves a specific purpose. The introduction sets the stage, presenting your thesis statement. Body paragraphs delve into specific aspects of your topic, supported by evidence. The conclusion summarizes your main points and restates your thesis. This structure ensures your essay is coherent and easy to follow.